guys, so as you can see, we are here at the airport hangar shooting 5 freaking supercars. So unreal. We've got 2 Lamborghini Huracans, 2 Lamborghini Aventadors, one with a Liberty Walk body kit, and a McLaren 570S, and these guys are so cool. We've pretty much got the place to ourselves, so stick around. We're gonna do like a crazy photo shoot, hopefully get some video and stuff. I'm gonna be running around a lot, so hopefully you enjoy this.
That's alright, you guys are cool with that? That's a nice plane, alright. So we got permission from the owner, so okay, we're good to go with that.
We'll swap these two, and yeah, we should have enough clearance here. Yeah. Right there.
So just at the moment, we've got to bring a different big plane into the hangar, so we're just moving the cars out of the way, and hopefully we'll just park it straight in the middle there, wrap some cars around it, see what we can do. Just lined up all the cars in front of this beautiful jet, and it's looking just so sick. So we're gonna get some photos of this, and we'll move on to the next set. Taking things to the next level. Holy sh!
Yeah, not a good view, guys.
Woo! Can I get some doors up, boys? Okay, so we just got up on the Skyjack to get above so we can take a picture of all these amazing supercars in that plane. This is like 10 mil for the plane, 100,000 per car-ish. This is unreal. All right. Okay guys, so we just went up on the Skyjack. Chad got the Skyjack out on the ramp. We got up above and took pictures of all 5 cars plus a $10 million-ish plane. So pretty insane. We've got the group shots done. We are gonna start moving individual cars in front of the plane, do that, and then hopefully we can get back out on the ramp and do some shots, and then we'll see where the day goes from there.
Why are you gone?
Okay, so we've done all the stuff out on the ramp. We put some cars under the plane wings, some pretty intense stuff. But now we're inside. I'm gonna get on the Skyjack again and try and do some silhouette photos using the doors of the hangar here. Right, so we're lining this guy up to silhouette through there. do you think, Chad? Which one would you get?
Might have with this guy.
Yeah,
Take this one.
I would too.
Holy. You're blowing my mind right now.
We got a V12 Aventador. Holy smokes. Got some decals on it, that's okay. Then we got another Huracan. What do you guys think? So they were having some battery issues with the McLaren, with the key fob turning the car on. So they just got that sorted, but it's not a bad place to lose the battery. Okay. In the comments below, which car would you take? I think I'm gonna go for the black Huracan. All right guys, what a day. That was so much fun. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. But I'll try and tag these guys' Instagrams down below so you can go follow them as well. Huge shout out to Newton Aviation for letting us use the space. The Edmonton airport as well, the guys here were just phenomenal, letting us get out on the ramp and dragging planes around. Like, come on, it's not often you get to shoot millions and millions of dollars of cars and planes. So super grateful. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna probably do some tutorials on how I edit these photos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing how I got the photos. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see. And thanks again so much for watching. Peace.